Today you'll take vocabulary quiz number 10, week number 10 in Language Arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. Here are the words that we're going to focus on this week. I'm going to read them by column. In column 1, disheveled. In column 2, literate and embark. Skip to column 4, motive and quack. In column 5, zeal. In column 6, waft, inept, and shambles. And in column 7, splat. Number 1. Number 1 is a noun. It's a reason. Number 2, a noun, showing great enthusiasm or devotion to a goal. Number 3 is a noun. It's one who pretends to have medical knowledge or skills that they don't have. Number 4, this is an adjective. It means awkward or clumsy or lacking in ability or competence. Number 5, this is a noun. It's a scene or condition of disorder or destruction. Number 6 is an adjective that means messy. Number 7 is an adjective that means you have the ability to read and write. Number 8 is a verb that means to join or unite by interweaving strands. When using this word as a noun, it means a joint that's made by splicing something. Number 9 is a verb. It means to go aboard some means of transportation or to set out on a venture. And number 10 is a verb. To move gently by wind or waves, something that's conveyed through the air, or a gentle breeze. For numbers 11 to 15, choose any of the vocabulary words from this week's list. I would suggest looking for the ones that you are most sure that you got correct. And then on the back of the page, write each in a sentence that shows that you know the meaning of the word in context. Not that you don't write the definition of the word. Use it in a sentence properly. Be sure to underline each vocabulary word in the sentence, and be sure to put capitals at the beginning and punctuate your sentences at the end. Notice that numbers 5 and 6 are very similar definitions, but one is a noun, would be used as a noun, and the other is an adjective. Number 6 is an adjective, so you'd use this word to describe someone.